Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the content restriction to allow or don't allow changes to contacts on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we go down and in here tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then we go down to the Privacy section and then tap on Contacts. In here you can choose Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. So select one of the two options. Now this allowing changes locks the settings shown below and prevents new apps from using your contacts. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.